If you are a beginner who still struggles with how to use a crochet pin, then this tutorial is what you need. Ensure you watch this video to the end. It's a short tutorial, but it's going to teach you the secret of how to use a crochet pin without ripping your lace or your wig cap. So the first thing you must understand about the use of a crochet pin is your hand movement, and the second thing is the hook. And if you look at the hook closely, you can see it has something that covers it, which is the open and close thing I am pointing at here. The next thing now is your hand movement. How you control your hand is very important. So you open the cover of the hook, you insert it into the net that you are working with, or the wig cap. You use the hook itself to pick the hair. Then you ensure that that particular cover of the hook is closed before you pull your hair out of the net using your crochet pin. That is the only way your hair can be pulled out successfully without ripping your lace. Okay, then you go back, you pick one half of the strand. If you notice, it is divided into two already. You bring one half out, but not completely. Then you reach for the other half of the hair extension, just like I'm doing in this video. Then you pick it, then you bring this other half out completely and you knot it. I'm going to repeat the same thing again now. So you make sure that you take your hair extension or the hair you want to insert, you take it in smaller section. It is also very important that your hair is not too much that you're putting inside the pin. You use the hook to pick the hair, you pull it out of the net, you cover it back, you pull one half, then you reach for the other half and you pull it out completely. I'm going to repeat it again to show you how to do it one more time. Insert your crochet hook into your wig cap by turning its face upside down. Then you turn the face to your direction. After you have inserted it into the wig cap, you pick the hair and you ensure that the cover of the hook is closed before you pull out the hair. After pulling out the hair like this, you reach out for one half of the extension that you want to fix in, and you ensure that the hook covers it again as well. But this time you are not pulling out the complete half that you just picked. So you pull this one out now. Just watch what I am doing. You pull it out, but not completely. You open the hook again, then you pick the other half. By the time you pick the other half, you pull out the other half completely. That way, you must have knotted your hair extension properly, so it's not going to unravel itself from the wig cap, thereby losing itself or detaching itself from the wig cap. So that is how you use your crochet pin to pick hair and attach it to your wig cap. Whether you are using a big crochet pin or a small crochet pin, that is how it works. It's the same technique. Just make sure that you insert it while it is facing down. You use it to hook the hair, the wig cap, while it is facing down. You turn it to your face after you have inserted the pin into the wig cap. Just watch what I'm doing here. You face it in your direction before you use it to pick the hair. Make sure the hook is covered. Use it to pick one half and pull the other half out completely. That is just how it works. I made an afro wig using the extension in this video. So if you want to watch how I made this afro wig, look at this is the final result of the afro wig I made. If you want to watch the detailed tutorial, I'm going to put it somewhere on the screen, or I'll put the link in the description box where you can watch and get the full tutorial on how I made this afro wig. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.